Yeah, hello everyone. So I am Kundan Kumar from NIT Warangal, and today I will be showing the working of my solution made for the given problem statement in Microsoft Engage 2021 program. So as you can see in this slide, the challenge was to build a clone of Microsoft Teams. And moving to the next slide, I have mentioned the technology that I have used, the features that I have implemented, uh, and moving to the third slide, so as you can see, I have implemented the Agile Scrum methodology throughout this program, and the program was divided into 5 sprints, and I have mentioned the details of my progress in each sprint, as you can see here. So now let's move to the project. Yeah, so this is the first page of my project, and the the links that you can see in the nav bar will redirect you to the official pages of MS Teams, and this download Teams button will redirect you to the page to the downloading page of Microsoft Teams. And now the user has two options to join the call. Either he can go through these buttons to create or join the call directly, or he can just sign in and then create or join a call. So let's just sign in here, and I will just enter my credentials, and it will let us sign in. uh, yeah, so this is it, and this is the password part. And one more thing I will like to mention, so if you click the forget password, then a, a password reset link will be sent to your mail ID, and from there you can just reset your password. So let's just click the sign in button, and now we are landed on the main page of Microsoft Teams clone. And from here we can create a meet, we can join a meet, or we can chat. And here I have also given the user guide for the using methods of this application. So now just let's create a meet here, and now I will enter a unique ID. Let it is AAA, and now I will just send it and just start the call. Yeah, so now I have shared this unique ID to my friend, and he will be just joining here. So yeah, yeah, so hi. Yeah, so as you can see, he has joined successfully, and this camera on off button works, and this mic button also works here. So these all are the working features. And now just let's close the meet. Okay, bye. And as you can see, this is the chat feature that I have implemented, and I have to just enter something, and this will be sent to the group who have joined this Microsoft Teams chat. And now let's move to the main page. Yeah, so these were the features, and if I have to join any meet, then I will just click on join meet, and I will be redirected to the joining meet page. So now let's just log out from here, and yeah, this is the second thing, that the sign up button. You can just enter your credentials and just sign up from here. Yeah, so this was it for my project. So thank you all, thank you for giving your time.